update. Hey guys, we're back in the shop, and I want to give you guys a little update on I want to give you guys an update on the DIY mini bike. Okay, so here it is. This guy. So I've done quite a bit since you guys have seen this last chainsaw. I got this welded on here. I had a hard time explaining that last video. And then, so I got this plate. It's like in an L shape. And I got this other plate sitting on top of it. And it basically slides back and forth with four bolts there and there. These are only tack welded because I might need to do some changes. It looks like the motor's like never gonna start because I don't have this cover on it. But that's just because I was getting this fuel line. Got the gas tank right here. I have this little tube here that I bought, and I made this custom plate with 2 screws, and this screw hole I drilled out so it could fit this. So fit right like that, like so. So it has that, and then I have this legit gas tank metal from that old engine over there. I have it clamped all weirdly like this because it kept rocking back and forth, and I just wanted to stay still when I was welding and doing other random stuff with this. So now you can kind of see like how does this like come together, whereas with the other video I literally didn't even know what I was gonna do with this whole like metal thing. But these are the 2 bars I said straight stock to the back. Those 2 right there are gonna be welded on those 2 right there. I've got a lot of stuff going on here. Got a compressor, then it got a hole in it. I bought that, and then it's just like, oh, this is such a mess. The next step I have to do is make little L shapes like there and like there. I think I might be using this, like the corner of this. Then put the cover on, get that fuel line, get the gas, and then somehow make sure that's hooked up. If you're ever making any kind of belt driven thing, you need a tensioner, and that's what this is. Yeah, so that's how far I've gotten with the DIY mini bike. I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, this is pretty awesome, but I hope this is gonna work out.